Hello, another day, another Minecraft event, and this will be a quick one because I've just looked at the time and I've spent an hour rat-holing myself into writing code, soldering, the usual. Right, okay, we have the IKEA Vindriktning air quality sensor thing, okay. It's out of the packaging and you can see we have red lights.
Red lights.
So, these red lights tell me that the air quality in here is not great. Do you know why it's not great? Because I've been soldering. In fact, I've been purposely soldering in front of the air intake for this to get some bad air into it with some lead solder. The good stuff. You will notice though, maybe you won't, because it's a bit unclear this shot. Let's see. We've got an ESP32. It's actually a Cutie Pie from Adafruit. It's the ESP32 C3, and I've connected ground. Which way around is it? There it is. I've connected ground and the data output pin, so transmit, to the ground and the RX pin on here, and using Liz Clark's amazing CircuitPython project on Adafruit, I'll put a link to that, I managed to read the air quality data into CircuitPython. Now it's not entirely correct, or my interpretation's not correct just yet. I'm still learning this bit. If I go to the CircuitPython code, nothing massive here, it's just reading the stream of data via the UART pin, so the receive pin, and then it's just going to spit out the details on the shell. At the minute I don't know what 23, what 1834 means. 23 could be fantastic, 1834 could be get out of the room. In fact, it's gone up to 4363 now. And the lights are still red on the actual sensor itself, so I do need to learn more about this, but it's all part of the process, and also part of the process of being a maker. We learn, we fail. We learn, we fail. That's what we do. And right now I'm failing, but I'm learning that I can read data out of this. I just need to interpret what that data actually means. And that's why this is an ongoing project and not just a one-hit wonder. So, that is all for today. Progress has been made with a bit of soldering. Finersi HSO1 soldering iron. Good iron. The HSO2's out. I just reviewed that for Tom's Hardware. Good iron. If you're going to get the HSO2, get the A variant, not the B. It doesn't heat up as fast. The B heats up in 3.6 seconds and the A heats up a lot slower, about 6 to 7 seconds. Oh my god, it's so slow. But tip selection on the A is better than the B. B's a bit meh, you only get 3 tips. Whereas A, it's like, here's all the tips. Anyway, that's all for today. See you later.